to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and today's video is part of a collaboration that is being hosted by Heidi Sonboul over at Happily Thriving Heidi, and it is the Any Theme DIY Challenge. And in this challenge, all she asked us to do was to show any DIY and really any theme. So I decided that I needed some new coffee table books. So that is what my DIY project is going to be about today. But before we get started, if you're new here, welcome. My channel is all about decorating your home on a budget, but making it look like you spent a whole lot more than you really did. I do DIYs, home decor hauls, just shopping for home decor. I do a lot of DIYs, so if that is something that you are interested in, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell twice so you never miss an upload. So I will leave a link for Heidi's channel down below, as well as the link to the playlist of all the participants, if I get that out. So let's get started with our DIY. So the first thing we're going to do is paint our books. These are books that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I tried to get the lightest colored books I could find because we're going to paint them all white for this first book project. Now, I know watching painting is boring, so we're going to speed through this process and then we'll come back when we're ready to assemble our DIY coffee table books. Alright guys, so we're back and I have painted my books, as you can see, and I decided I want it to be a little extra, and I painted the inside pages of my books black, and I just love the contrast. Absolutely love it. And now we are going to continue with our DIY. What we are making are some coffee table books, and these are just books that were picked up from the Dollar Tree, so very inexpensive, $1. We have our vinyl from our Cricut machine, and I took it, and today we're going to use some shiny vinyl, and we have the words Dior and Prada and Chanel, and we are going to put them on the ends of our books. So I want to make sure they're going to fit properly, so I want to make sure I put the right ones on the right books. This one is a little big, but we're gonna try and make it work. So let's get started. We're gonna take our sticker and peel it off, and we're going to position it where we want it on our book. And we are going to press it down. And then we are going to peel it off. If we can get it to stick. Paint our books black for this project, and hopefully we won't have to use too many coats for this project. I know it is a little boring, to watch people paint. So I'm not going to make you do that. We will come back when we are ready to assemble our project. All right, guys, so we have finished our books. I have painted them with just regular paint from Walmart. You know, black is my favorite color. And now we're going to do a different set of DIY books. And I thought it would be nice to create one that says Paris is always a good idea. So I have used my Cricut and I have printed out what I want to say. And now we're just dry fitting them on the books. So I think this is really nice. Now I will say that I have this particular transfer tape that I have been using, and it is always hard to get this to peel away and for the letters to stick to whatever I'm trying to apply it to. So I thought I would try this is just a generic brand. So I thought I would try the actual Cricut vinyl, and this is still a generic transfer sheet, but it's not as sticky. So we are going to see if this works a lot better. So I'm going to set these books over here and keep your fingers crossed, and we'll see how this goes. So we're going to take it and we are going to stick it right in the middle, and what did I do with my, I'm gonna press it down, and we're gonna peel this off. So far, so good. Whoops, spoke too soon. But here we go. There's the first part. Like it. Now here is the tricky one. I don't know if this one is going to work as well. Let's hope so. I have used two different font styles. So this one is a different font style. And I don't remember the name. All right, guys. Whoops. Again, spoke too soon. For some reason, this A does not want to stick down. Let's try the other way. Come on. Like I said, for some reason, this vinyl doesn't stick well. But here we go. We have our always. And now for the last one. This one, I think I need to touch up because it's got some white on it and I don't want that to show. So we're going to touch this up and then let it dry, and then we'll come back and do our final one. So I don't want Alright, so our paint is now dry on our other book, and it's nice and black again. So now we are going to apply our decal. And we are going to line it up and press it on. And I forgot to take the A out. We'll have to weed that out. But I must say, I am loving this transfer tape. So here is how our books are looking. Absolutely love it. This I don't want to be plain on the top, so we have a decal that we are going to apply to the front. And I must say, this transfer tape is a lot better than what I was using. I think that looks centered. You can see that. Now we're just going to press down our decal. So our book is not so plain and boring on the front. Let's say this has some grip. You can pick this off. So this is how our book is looking. I love it. Paris. So this is going to be on the top, and it will look like this. Paris is always a good idea. And I am totally in love with this look. I hope you are as well. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about our DIY project. I would like to thank Heidi for hosting this collaboration, this anything DIY. It was so much fun, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I will show you how I style these in my home in my next video. So if you are not already subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload and become a part of the iStylEmystyle family. I also have, what did I do with it? Hold on, guys. 3. Okay, so I have this string also. I don't even remember where it came from. As crafters, you guys know we don't throw anything away because we can always use it in a craft. So I was thinking one thing we could do is to add a little more drama, is to add this tassel, and it can hang down the side just like this. Oh, so pretty. Or we could just leave it plain. Which did you like better, with or without the tassel? Leave me a comment down below. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you had an awesome day. Again, thank you, Heidi. This anything DIY was so much fun, and I look forward to your next collaboration. Him in the background, he's part of the upcoming DIY, so again, stay tuned for that. I hope you have an awesome day, and remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys.